So hi, hello everyone. So myself, I'm Mahmouda Begum from DSL Mall. I take care of marketing. So about Kredai, we are participating here, presenting DSL Mall as a one-stop shopping destination for everyone, where one can come and do all the purchase and entertainment as well. Currently at Kredai, since it's a real estate property event, so we are presenting, showcasing two of our brands, which is relevant with the customer, your home center and Bombay Dine, which is directly leads with the customer for the after purchasing flat. And it was a really great experience. We have interacted with 400 plus people, and moreover, people who are seeing this news now, you can come to our mall, get exciting discount, and even this counter also we can give away free giveaway. You spend and you will get unconditional vouchers from our side. So basically, to be honest, we as a mall we have as an exhibitor we are selling the experience because we don't have property to sell. So experience wise, furniture is the brand from the home center. This beds comfortable and all from the Bombay Dine. So two of the brands which is from our mall, we are promoting them as a direct customer needs. So people who buy flat will what they will buy, they'll first go for a home interior, your furniture and all these things, then your comfort bed and all. So this we are promoting as a DSL to these two brand. Moreover, we have other brands. So people who are watching is please come visit our mall. It is an Uppal where everything is there. Movies, Cinepolis, two food court we have, newly opened food court at lower ground floor. We have brands like KFC, California Burrito, Pizza Hut, Burger King, everything. Participating here, Kredai is basically, we thought of it is the first time Kredai is getting all these events at Nagol. So East Hyderabad is the one, where it was untouched. Every time you see all these events are happening in high tech city. But this is the first time and we are really excited, that even which we generally get to see at high tech city, we are expecting at Nagol, East Uppal, and we really experienced a lot. As a mall, to be honest, we feel really wow that we got a chance to promote our mall over here. So people should know where exactly DSL Mall in Uppal. To be honest, East Hyderabad, we are the only biggest mall. There is no mall. There are certain malls that told as themselves as a mall, but they are small standalone building. But we are the only mall in East Hyderabad. They are mall in orbit and all, but they are the west part of the city. But yes, if you ask about the USP of our mall, we have started recently the pet friendly. No one live behind. So we are the first mall in Hyderabad who is allowing pet actually. You can bring your pets now at our mall. Yeah, definitely. We will be expanding more. In near future, will be coming up more property. DSL is a huge property. It is not like they are into malls. We are into different commercial projects also. We are into IT buildings. We are into real estate, apartments and also. But so far, mall, this is the only mall. But in future, we have plan. Thank you.